So here is what the kids could practice. We get up, we go, we sit down. Cue the dog down. Several small treats in succession to keep the dog in a down position as long as I'm seated. Then I get up and I do it again. Down. Boy. Down. I don't know why he stands up to eat. Okay, I'm not going to ask him again. I'm going to wait until he does it. Starting over. You're a little weird monkey. You are a little weird monkey. Yes. Do it again. And I would keep doing this until he knows the cue for him to lay is when I sit. And then I would do this in any chair or all chairs where I want him not to jump up. Yes, so it is. Good boy. He's up. Let me start again. Yay. That's it. And then just double check that he understands it's every chair. Try this one. Good job. Okay, so that's what I call part 3. And the more that it's done, the easier it is to keep him off the furniture and off the guests.